Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, you will have to open Contact, then select contact which you want to add photo, then tap Edit Contact on this pencil icon, then tap on the camera icon to add its photo, and you have an option to select photo or to take photo right now. So I'll just select the ready one. So let's select photo. Here you can adjust it, and then tap save, and then here save one more time, and after that image will be added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.